Hello, our micro-teaching video will be about the solar system. The group members are Sonia Ugarde, Erika Maldonado, Jolene de la Cerda, Saraí Dominguez, and Jackie Soto. The overview. Today we will learn about the solar system by learning about the inner and outer solar system, reviewing the 8 planets, and drawing and writing about their favorite planet. The TEKs for 3rd grade science are Earth and Space. The student knows there are recognizable patterns in the natural world and among objects in the sky. The student is expected to identify the planets in Earth's solar system and their position in relation to the sun. Content and language objective. The content. Student will be able to identify the 8 planets from the solar system by discussing the planets with a partner. Language. Student will be able to write about their favorite planet in the solar system by sketching a picture and writing facts about the planet they chose. Okay guys,
Oh my god! Last week.
Hakuna
Matata.
Alright, let's get started. So today, I want you guys to join with me, okay? So let's explore the solar system and everything that surrounds it. So, have you ever looked up at the sky and wondered what's there?
Me, yeah! I have like 100. I've seen butterflies and
Okay, good observation. But higher than the birds?
No.
Past the clouds?
No.
Further than the moon?
No.
Well, today we're going to look into the solar system and we're going to see all of the planets that go deeper and deeper into the sky. So, the 8 planets that we have 8 planets in our solar system. These planets circle around the sun. This is called orbits. So, as you can see, we have a diagram right here of the 8 planets. So, we see in the corner, that's the sun. So, as you can see, that's the biggest star in the universe. We have Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So, it is divided into the inner and outer solar system. So we're going to learn how this is divided into these 2 inner and outer. So a lot of astronomy people like to think that the solar system has been made up in 2 parts. So these 2 parts are the inner and the outer solar system. We have the inner solar system, which has Mercury, Venus, Earth, and let's not forget about Mars. These are the closest to the sun and are called the terrestrial planets, simply because they have very solid rocky surfaces. So the other part is the outer solar system. It has Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. So these are sometimes called the gas giants. So guys, does anyone have any questions?
No.
We're good? Okay, let's move on.
So now we will be discussing the sun. As you can see in this picture, the sun is a star, just like many of the ones we can see up in the sky. It is 93 million miles away, and it is the biggest object in the solar system. The sun is what holds the solar system together and allows us to live on this earth. Without the sun, there wouldn't be no heat, light, plants wouldn't be able to grow, water would freeze, and nothing would be able to survive. Okay, so the first planet that we will be discussing is Mercury. It's the smallest planet in the solar system. It has a rocky surface. It has no moons. The temperature is boiling hot when the sun touches it, but when the shade covers it, it's freezing cold. It is the fastest planet to go around the sun, and it takes up 88 days to go around the sun. Our second planet is Venus. It is the hottest planet in our solar system. It takes Venus about 224 days to orbit around the sun, and it's the second brightest object in the sky and in the night sky. So if you ever look up at the night sky, it will be the second brightest star that you see at night. Planet number 3 is the Earth. This is the planet that we live in. I'm sure everyone recognizes it. It is not too hot and it's not too cold. It's perfect for humans to be able to live in, and it's just right. As far as we know, Earth is the only planet to have living things.
So the 4th planet we're going to discuss is Mars. Mars is also known as the red planet because the material in the soil gives it a reddish color. It is also cold and rocky, and there's also ice water on the planet. Scientists believe that people can live there with the help of special equipment. And the next planet that we are going to discuss, which is the fifth planet, it is Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the whole solar system. It is called a gas giant because it is really big and made up mostly of gases. It is the third brightest object in the sky. It has at least 67 moons, and people cannot land on Jupiter because it is made of gas, so there's no ground to land on. So let me ask you guys a question. How many moons does Jupiter have?
Wait.
Erica?
67 moons.
Good job, yes. All right, let's go to the sixth planet. The sixth planet is Saturn. You can see right here, this is the first planet that has the rings. And then it's another gas giant. It is known for its beautiful rings. The rings are made from many small ice particles as well as rocks and dust. Saturn has more than 60 moons orbiting around it.
Wow.
Oh.
Interesting, right?
Yeah.
The seventh planet is Uranus. This one is also another giant gas, but smaller than Jupiter and Saturn. It is tilted so much that it actually spins on its sideways. Uranus has rings around it and it has 27 moons. Uranus is covered in blue clouds as well. Yes, Erica?
I really like the blue color in the planet.
I know it's nice
so
and pretty.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Okay, last but not least, we have our eighth planet, another gas giant. It is darker than Uranus. It has few rings and 14 moons. Neptune is so far out of space that it takes 164 years to finish in orbit around the sun. That's a lot. Of all the planets we just discussed right now, which one's your favorite planet, class? Jackie.
My favorite planet is Jupiter because it's the biggest out of all of them.
What about you, Erica?
My favorite planet is Mars because it's my favorite color, red.
Yes, Mars is red. It's really red, dark red. Jolyn, what's your favorite planet?
My favorite planet is Earth because that's the one we live in.
Yes,
Wow.
we live on Earth. Yes. Okay, now we're gonna do an activity, guys, and it's students, and it's we're gonna draw a rocket launching into space or draw your favorite planet. And then these worksheets, I'm gonna pass out 2 worksheets. One plain where you could draw your picture, and then one where you're gonna write why you like your planet and give facts about it. And then this is a picture, an example of a rocket you could draw on your worksheet. And then here's my example of why my favorite planet. Saturn is my favorite planet, and this is how I drew it because it has beautiful rings. Saturn has more than 60 moons orbiting around it, and it is the 6th planet. Now I want y'all to draw and write your favorite planet. Yes? Are y'all good?
Yes. Say that again.
Do y'all have any questions? Everything's clear?
Yes.
I think so, yes.
So yeah, know what we're doing. We're going to draw a picture of your favorite planet or the rocket, and then you're gonna write about why it's your favorite planet. Does it make sense?
Yay.
Okay, good job.
Okay, class, now we're gonna watch a rap video about the solar system. So everybody up?
Yay!
Everybody up? Ready to have a little fun. Woo! Press play. When I say solar, you say system. Solar! System! All right, let's do this.
We can see the whole solar system from here. I think we can hear it from here too.
We have planets of the solar system, different sizes for everyone. The music never ends, we are such good friends, and we all orbit the sun.
We call the sun, rapping first on this track from the beginning. I'm the center of the solar system, planets be spinning around me. So I'm roasting, you see. Now I pass the mic to the
planet closest to me.
Mercury, the small planets, small Earth's moon. I get super hot and cold, and it's getting very slow. Mountains in the biggest spring. I'm the same child as Earth, but in the opposite way.
Yeah, I'm a home to every boy and girl.
Such a beautiful, beautiful world.
I'm Mars, a red planet. I got deserts and ice, and I've got blue moons. It says like one moon twice.
I'm Jupiter, the biggest planet. I'm humongous, gargantuan. I spin the fastest, ride the fastest, plus I'm handsome. Wimps.
Oh, please, I'm Saturn. Check out my beautiful rings, made up of billions of rocks, dust, and other things.
I'm Uranus. I say that with pride. Okay, I lied. I'm Embarrassed because I'm the only planet lying on its side.
I'm Neptune, cold, dark, windy, and mysterious. I'm very stormy, so bring an umbrella. I'm serious.
There are planets of the solar system.
Different sizes for everyone. The music never ends. We are such good friends, and we all orbit the sun.
Well, we are done exploring the solar system. I am thirsty. Let's explore the rest of the Milky Way galaxy.